There was a day I used to smile and come. Life on earth was so harmonious. With plenty of good water. Trees who want to touch the sky. Happy animals. All creatures on the planet used to wait for me to have the first ray. Now, the harmony is lost. Humans claim they are the highest creature on the evolutionary level, but they act the nastiest way. They have axed trillions of trees. Destroyed mountains. Burnt the forests. And polluting the planet as never before. Forests are turning to deserts. Rivers are drying. Would you still claim you were at the top of the evolution? Seeing all this, I don't want to come. But if I don't come, all the life on the planet will start dying. So, I come with deep anguish in my heart. I'm harsh. I'm sun, the source of your energy.